Campus This Week.
Hi everyone, welcome to episode 75 of Campus This Week. I'm Marjani from English Department Sonada 5th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salation 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by the South Indian Bank Siliguri, the best choice for your personal banking. Siliguri, 14th Verzotto Memorial Lecture held in Siliguri and Sonada campuses. Aditi Agarwal of Mass Communication Department 3rd semester reports.
Selection College organized the annual Verzotto Memorial Lecture on 21st September in Siliguri campus and on 22nd of September in Sonada campus. The topic of the lecture was Economic Development and Financial Inclusion in a Socialist Society, a brief on career development. Don Bosco alumnus and retired Chief Manager, State Bank of India, Mr. Reginald Kujur from Kolkata was the guest speaker. In Salesian campus, Vice Principal of Sciences, Father C.M. Paul introduced Father Joseph Verzotto, affectionately called Capo, in whose memory the lecture was held. Principal Father George Tadithil was present at Sonada for the event held solemnly in the auditorium for the entire college. After his felicitation, Mr. Kujur spoke about the various aspects of economic development and economic growth with the help of an interactive presentation. The lecture was followed by a question-answer session. Italian priest Father Verzotto was at Salesian College Sonada from 1963 to 1995. He taught ethics, metaphysics, psychology, epistemology, and Indian philosophy, apart from being the college librarian, counselor, postman, fundraiser, and a philanthropist.
Siliguri, first semester mass communication students visit North Bengal's leading digital television channel. Tissa Sen of Masscom first semester reports.
Being a good journalist is difficult. It takes sheer hard work, courage, and determination, said Mr. Sanjay Sharma, owner, director, and CEO of Khawas Television. During their visit on 23rd September 2022, first semester students of Mass Communication Department from Salesian College Siliguri were briefed about the ethics, values, and also about the practical side of television news reporting. Students took turns to ask questions during the question and answer session, while 2 staff members shared about their experiences and chances of internship at Khawas. 4 other staff members were in attendance to facilitate the studio tour.
Siliguri, NSS Day celebrated with induction of new members. Pratyusha Sinha Roy of Mass Communication 3rd semester reports.
NSS Unit 2 Salesian College Siliguri successfully celebrated the 53rd NSS Day with a team building exercise by welcoming and energizing the new volunteers of the session 2022-23. The activities included chart paper presentation on NSS Day and even fun activities like tug of war and treasure hunt. The event helped NSS volunteers spread love, awareness, and the value of morals among all by strengthening the bond and integrity within the unit.
Siliguri, Mass Communication first semester holds student seminar presentation. 6 selected for presentations in Sonada. Garima Agarwal of Mass Communication Department first semester reports.
A student seminar based on the theme Shooting the Messenger was held by the Department of Mass Communication and Journalism on 24th September 2022. 11 students from the first semester gave the presentations where each one spoke for 7 minutes, including time for questions and answers. Each presenter spoke on a journalist of his or her choice who had been the victim of shooting the messenger. 6 out of 11 students got selected for presenting the same in Sonada campus. Judges for the day were HOD Mr. Ravi Bhushan Singh and faculty members Ms. Navneeta Subha and Ms. Sharmishta Pradhan. The results were announced by the HOD, in which Tissa Sen stood first position, followed by Anushka Lama, Preetha Roy, Dikshika Lama, Pragya P.D. Adhikari and Aman Shah.
Siliguri, Elite Talk 4th episode held. Neha Bhatra of Mass Communication 3rd semester reports.
Salesian College Siliguri campus organized 4th edition of Elite Talk, where 9 participants took part from the Commerce Deanery. Manika Rana from Mass Comm department hosted the event. Dean of Arts and Humanities Mr. Peter Lepcha spoke on the power of spoken words and encouraged students to take advantage of opportunities for public speaking. After the student presentation, the judges congratulated them for their performance and encouraged them to improve on their reading habits. All participants received certificates and Ms. Gautami Dhanuka was declared the best speaker. The event concluded with vote of thanks given by Ravi Bhushan Singh, HOD of Mass Communication and Journalism.
Siliguri, English department students teach eco-brick making to 30 school students and 12 faculty. Shristi Roy of English department 1st semester reports.
Department of Education, in collaboration with IQAC, organized an outreach program called Miraki for the students of Love and Hope School of Kadamtala, Siliguri on 24th September 2022. The program began with a motivational talk by Father Jagjeevan Tirki, followed by dancing and singing performances by the students of 1st and 2nd year of undergraduate program. Some 30 students and 12 faculty members from Love and Hope School participated in the informative workshop on eco-brick making by Sandhya Chetri of 5th semester. The purpose of this initiative was to promote and encourage environment protection education among children. Vikas Kami, director of Love and Hope School, addressed the event with his thoughts and future goals. At the end, students and faculty members were given a campus tour and lunch.
Sonada, class reps and student council training held in Kurseong. Siddhi Singh of Mass Communication 5th semester reports.
Salesian College Sonada representatives and student council meet took place in Auxilium at St. Mary's Hill, Kurseong on September 24, 2022. Both Principal Father George Thurtil, the Vice Principal Father Nirmal Topu were present, along with the Bursar Father Raymond, the Dean Sir Uday Mal, as well as the campus coordinator Ms. Shraddha Pradhan and other faculty members. In order to help them comprehend their responsibilities, all of the lectures addressed a range of subjects from the college handbook and calendar. Ms. Shruti Chetri addressed the students on responsibility. Ms. Ashwini and Sir Zubin assisted the students on emotional imbalance. The pupils learned the importance of teamwork from Sir Rakesh and Sir Chedo. The pupils heard a speech from Father Raymond on decision making and problem solving. Father Principal also briefed the students on Jagrat, Swapna, Susupti and Turya.
Sonada, Mass Comm department marks World Cinema Day. Prabhakar Khawas of Mass Communication 3rd semester reports.
A screening of the film named Sitaramam had taken place on 23rd September 2022 in Salesian College Sonada. Mass Communication Department marked the occasion of the World Cinema Day with screening of latest Bollywood movie Sitaramam. Here is the storyline. An orphan soldier's life changes after he receives a letter from a girl named Sita. He meets her and love blossoms between them. When he returns to his camp in Kashmir, he sends a letter to Sita that will not reach her. The movie had a very broad scene with good direction. Everyone enjoyed the metaphor and irony of the movie. The film also touched upon the subject of India and Pakistan and later played a very important role in movie till the end. After the second half of the movie, there was a lot of emotional changes in the story and in faces of audience too.
And here's our photo of the week. All hands on deck for week-long events in college from 27th to 30th of September 2022, starting with ExSurge 2 days, a Fever 2 days, and a parallel event Calibre on the last day. This show is brought to you by the South Indian Bank Siliguri, the best choice for your personal banking. Those are the latest news from campus this week. Enjoy the rest of your day.